How was your experience working with Jennifer today?
Awesome. If
Okay.
you ever have a question, call her. She'll get you taken care of.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
How was your experience today?
Great. Jennifer, very patient with me. She helped me through the whole process. I really appreciate this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How was your experience today?
It was amazing. I had an amazing experience today.
And who did you work with?
I worked with Jennifer. She was fantastic.
And will you recommend a friend?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hola, estoy aquí en la localización de Wilkes-Barre. Les recomiendo esta localización 10 de 10. Pueden venir aquí. Jennifer habla español, una persona muy encantadora y pueden hacer todo su proceso más accesible. Gracias.
Hi. I recently bought a car here at Miracle Motors. Eric was my salesperson. Very thankful for his work. He put in an extra work to get me a lower price for a down payment. Very thankful. Come check out Miracle Motors here in Wilkes-Barre, PA.
Tell me about your experience at Miracle Motors today.
Today was
Very friendly.
awesome. Vehicle replacement was great. Thank you, Jennifer, for all your help. The ease and painless that it was to replace our vehicle. We much appreciate
Okay. And will you recommend a friend?
it. Absolutely.
Okay. It was nice having you guys. Have a good day. Congratulations.
Yo, come see my man Eric at Miracle Motors. That man make it happen, baby.
All right.
Hi, my name is Ronald, and I just bought this beautiful Kia Soul from Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre. I dealt with a very wonderful woman named Jennifer. My experience was amazing. I love the service. I would highly recommend anybody coming here, without a doubt.
So how do you like your car?
I love it. It's the second vehicle I purchased from here.
All right. And how was your experience with the vehicle?
The best experience.
All right. Yeah, man. Good.
Yeah.
Good. Good for you.
I can never say nothing bad about this. Everything I ever got was good.
Everything you ever got was good.
Yep.
Good.
No problems.
All right. We'll send us some people. We'll send you a referral check for each one, $100.
All right.
All right, man.
I think
Hey.